Hi everyone. Today we have with us Professor Sudesh Kadam. Sir is the Dean of Academics at Ifield College and he trained the students on finance and analytics. He is also alumni of IIT Kanpur and have been a former investment banker, vice president of IDBI Capital and worked in SBI Capital as well. So today, sir, we have invited to talk about investment banking. And my first question is about that only, ki why investment banking is number one profile which every finance student is aspiring for. Sir, you are on mute.
Yes, so I'll just correct my profile. I have been through IIT Kanpur. I've been a deputy vice president. That was the last designation I held with IDBI Capital Markets. With SBI Capital Markets, I was manager and above. Your question was why everybody wants to, in finance, wants to be in investment banking. Ideally, that's what finance is all about money. And investment banking jobs are some of the highest paying jobs in the field. Not only the job, the adrenaline rush you get by doing an investment banking work day in and day out, that is of a separate nature. You get to handle critical situations. You are the one who is leading a mergers and acquisition transaction. It is more than job. You sometimes feel like you have that power to influence a deal. You have feel that let's get this thing done. So you get a sport feeling when you are working as an investment bank. That feeling of to win something or to strive hard. So that's why it's one of the marquee jobs. And the other thing is the scarcity of the opportunity. Very less investment banking professionals are required, so the job opportunities in that field are very, very less. It's what we say, the scarcity creates that thought among everybody that yeah, I should have that. So that's where the investment banking comes from. But yes, I would say uh, not only investment, other banking of other finance are equally important, but some importance to investment banking thanks to the work they get to do. When we say that we want to do some quality work, some meaningful work, everybody wants to find meaning in their work. That's where investment banking comes. That's what I feel that investment banking is the marquee one.
Superb. Sir, can you give a sample profile? What kind of a job they are looking for? In fact, that's the first question we have from Vidhi. What is the kind of a profile they're looking for? Just a sample, most common profiles which are there.
So most common profile in an investment banking, if you join as a fresher or 1 or 2 years experience, normally you join as an associate or at some place below associate is called as credit analyst. The designation can be very different by bank to bank, investment bank to bank. But ideally, the job for first couple of years is hectic and is about understanding the financial statements of a lot of corporates. So you have to pitch in investment banking also. You have to pitch to so many corporates your proposition of raising debt, raising equity, or restructuring. So you have to analyze lot of financial statements in the first couple of years, where there is a lot of financial modeling. You have to be an expert in Excel. That is not optional in when it comes to investment banking. You have to be an expert in Excel. And the first few years would be about analyzing financial statements, financial modeling, a lot of it, projections, and then presenting your solutions a bit. Yeah,
Superb.
that's what the first in the investment banking, first few years in investment banking would be if you're joining as a fresher.
Right. So, sir, one more thing which is said that it's highest paid jobs as well, but
Mhm.
half of your payment is related to incentive. Is it true or is it a myth? के वैसे ही, for example, a normal, if I talk about an IM where average salary is 20 lakhs, investment banker will get a 20 lakhs salary plus 20 lakh a bonus. So, is it true in every role or depend on profile to profile?
No, yes, investment banking is an advisory job. And what do I mean by advisory means? You are advising somebody, some corporate to do XYZ thing. Investment bankers understand this, will never put up their own money. खुद का पैसा नहीं लगाते. So it's more of a professional. You see lawyers, they advise about law. They never put in their own, you can say, things. So similarly, so yes, lot of salaries would be on how good you are at deal making and incentivizing people to bring more and more deals. So it's a deal based corporate. So if you work in a corporate finance in a company, let's say Tata Steel, day in and day out, you are working with similar banks and similar operations. In investment banking, every month you are changing your client. Today you are advising, let's say Tata Steel. Tomorrow you are advising Reliance Industries. Day after tomorrow you are advising a lot of. So to keep you that energy going, to bring in more new deals, the incentive mechanism works well. That's why the incentive-based approach.
सर वो कहते हैं ना कि इन कंसल्टिंग में हमारे यहाँ आई वाज अ कंसल्टेंट अर्लियर, सो कंसल्टिंग में कहता है कि तुम्हारे से घड़ी लेके तुम्हें ही टाइम दिखाएंगे, सो दैट इज कंसल्टिंग. सो आपका
yes,
पैसा आपसे लेके इन्वेस्टमेंट करेंगे आपके नाम पे ही.
हाँ, so कैसे होता है, lot of companies or lot of corporates know what is good for them, but an investment bank is required or outsider is required to help them make non-emotional decisions. कभी कभी हम देखो, हम जब डिप्रेस रहते हैं या कुछ प्रॉब्लम में रहते हैं तो हम अपने दोस्त को पूछते हैं, सब फ्रेंड्स को पूछते हैं, so that he gives you an advice which is not emotional, practical advice देते हैं. Sometimes investment banks play that kind of role when company is not doing bad. They would say recommend restructuring, selling off some assets, acquiring something, lot of things. So that's where the and the experience of the person comes in. So it's not about time spent. 1 minute with a good investment banker can make a life for some of the corporates. So it's about the experience of the person. We say good doctor, within a minute he can give a resolution. Whereas if you'll meet hundreds and thousands of others in that trade and you don't get any solution to your problem. So that's what it is.
True. So next question we have is it easy for an engineer or a non-engineer, BCom, BMS to become an investment banker?
Absolutely. I am an engineer. I am a computer science engineer. Engineering or other degree will help you. What is required in investment banking is you should have good hold on 10th standard mathematics, up to 10th standard आपने जो पढ़ा है, and your logic should be very good. Logic. So you should be very easy for you to capture cause and effect relationship. And then basics of finance. Whatever you study in your management degree, if you are good at what you have studied in your management degree, the basics, then you are good for investment banking. Actually, I would say a engineering and a finance degree, it helps a lot of times. So I was a project finance guy. I was made to fund the largest project finance deal in the world with funding of 20,000 crore. I, being an engineer, know how a steel plant works. So if I want to explain to any corporate or anybody that invest in this company is good, I have a good hand on my technical skills and my finance skills. So I would say if you're good at your finance and if you're good at some other field from where you have done your graduation, it will actually add to your knowledge base and help in investment banking, because at times you have to come out of box solutions. So experience of other field can give you that advantage to think out of box for a particular solution.
Exactly. Perfect. All right. So another acquisition which we have for IB people is that stress level is very, very high. You have to work 18 hours every day, 14 hours every day. So is it true?
Yes, absolutely. 18 I would not say. 18 is very looks to be on very higher side.
हाँ, थोड़ा वो फेंकने के लोग फेंक देते हैं, but
yeah, 18 looks on a higher side. But I would say initial years you would have to work 12 hours a day. 12 hours a day is given because you are learning new things every day. As I said, today a client comes in Mumbai. This happens. Client lands at the airport and sends his financials to the boss, and within 1 hour he's leaving. If you are in BKC, then he will reach in half an hour. We have to analyze his financial statements, give your opinion to the boss to to make a meaningful meeting out of it and make sure the boss converts that meeting into a deal. So criticality in time is very very important. You cannot just say कि आज का काम कल कर सकते हैं, ये ऑप्शन नहीं है, वो आज ही होना चाहिए, whether it is 12 by night or something, because tomorrow morning you are going to visit a client and you are going to present the presentation of how you are going to change its company or how you are bringing in. So work cannot wait. Work cannot wait.
True. What are the chances of going abroad via IB?
Chances of going abroad, a lot of chances. I think a lot of our individuals have gone to London markets, New York markets, so many. And if you happen to pursue your CFA degree after your PGDM or MBA finance, then whole international arena opens for you. So do your PGDM or MBA finance, work for 2 years in corporates in India, parallelly do your CFA charter, and once you have that hand, US and UK market are open for you. So, lot of opportunity.
Superb. So great. So can you sir name us a few companies available in India which can do IB domain?
So there are so many. If you go in Mumbai, every state
Every
has
bank
an
is now.
investment bank. So it is heart of it. So we have SBI Capital Markets, which is the top notch in the investment banking space from the government side. You have Edelweiss, which is doing great. You have JM Financials, and then you have top notch investment banking from Morgan Stanley to JP Morgan Chase. Every top bank has now every bank has an investment banking division. Your BOB, Bank of Baroda, has an investment bank. The Bank of BOB Capital, PNB has PNB Capital. So every now big banks have their investment banking division.
True. I normally say sir कि suppose कोई भी बैंक लो, उसमें से बैंक निकाल के कैपिटल वर्ड डाल दो. SBI बैंक की जगह SBI कैपिटल, हर एक की जगह कैपिटल डाल दो, तो you have an investment bank ready for you.
Yeah, you can say that. You can say that.
A joke, yeah, and we can say that a joke. Okay, so great. So now investment banking is a huge domain area. We have equity as well. Then we are launching IPOs as well. Everything comes as a part of investment banking.
Yes, yes.
So next question which I have is how about the job security?
See, if you ask me, the lot of corporates, you would have a good job security measure. Everybody has their HR policies. So if you go into good corporate, they have their HR policies, but it is performance based. Everywhere it is performance based. And a lot of companies have what we call as, they will at least quarterly or 6 monthly look at your performance. They will ask you to improve in case you are not able to. Personally, I have not found job security as a problem in investment banking. At times you may have problem with work, बहुत काम है वगैरह. Hire and fire, I have not seen personally. It can happen some places. I think marketing is more about hire and fire, but not finance field. So they are very choosy when they take you. Everybody is very choosy when they take you on board. And especially for freshers, job security is not that a big problem. Because in investment banking, first few years, you will be working as a back-end person, doing all the groundwork for your bosses to make good presentations and work. So you are not client facing. And after 2-3 years is where you are asked to bring in the deals. So when you gain that experience, and that's where the pressure starts building on you when you have to pitch for something. So I would say for first few years, the job security is not so much. If you are okay with, if you have a good finance background, and if I am not so fussed about job security in this field, they will take you. They will make sure they take good guys. So once they take good guys, they are not so much about hire and fire in that.
Right. So nowadays, a lot of emphasis is given on the analytics being introduced into finance. In fact, your college have also added curriculum on analytics in finance. So
Yeah.
what is the role of analytics? Is it compulsory for everyone to understand that part?
Absolutely. So it's not something which has been now optional. If you see the genesis of analytics as a field, it is nothing but the good name given to statistics. But what happens before this, before let's say 10 years, you don't, somehow this data was not there. इतना data नहीं था. तो data नहीं था तो analysis करना मुश्किल था कोई भी चीज. Now in this last 10 years, so much data is generated. Look at the data Big Bazaar has, or look at the data DMart has of daily transaction, who is buying which product on which day of the week, what is the consumer profile, what he is buying in combination. So with this, so much data available about anybody, then you can make a meaningful projections. Analytics is all about saying in what you can predict about. Future आपको कोई बता सकता है क्या? तो कल how many people will come to Big Bazaar tomorrow is something that if you can predict for sure and what they will buy, then nothing like it. The cost of company goes down. He will keep only those material for those people. So analytics is all about crunching data and understanding what are the themes coming up. And in finance, it is very important. We at iFeel are following it diligently, along with basic and advanced and sectoral analytics over the period of 3 semesters. We are teaching one programming language, Python, all the students. Believe me, for everybody, whichever field they are going, I would say you should know one coding language. It is no more optional. Coding is not optional. Languages are easy. Courses are free. Everything is available at your doorstep. So everybody should spend some time to learn any coding language. I would recommend Python, but you can start with C, C++ also to understand basics. But analytics is something which is very, very important because it will help you to refine your decision making, to be more accurate in your predictions. And with availability of data, this is growing. The field is growing.
True. Sir, engineering already have a language, coding language, a part of the curriculum. BCom, BMS, I don't know. Students have to tell me whether there's an introduction. They have been introduced now in India, but I doubt. When our curriculum is so late now, there's no. I think in BCom, BMS, everyone should have one language at least. In the
I would say you're saying curriculum is late, but today I don't want to blame the curriculum in that, because today if you see the resources available on YouTube, अगर आपको कुछ भी चीज सीखना है, free of cost, excellent quality resources are available. Why you are waiting for somebody to set up a course for it, an exam for it? Why you want to give exam of a course to learn it?
True.
If you have a genuine intention of learning, everything is free.
ट्रू सर, आप एकेडमिशियन है तो आप ऐसा कह रहे हैं, लेकिन वी आर द इंडियन स्टूडेंट, हमें जब तक वो डंडा नहीं आ गया ना तब तक हम अपने आप से नहीं करने वाले.
वो क्या होता है, मतलब डंडे से आया हुआ व्हाट वी से नॉलेज भी वो लिमिटेड रहता है. वो जब डंडा निकल जाता है वो नॉलेज भी उसके साथ निकल जाता है. जो रहता है वो जो आपने खुद ने सीखा है, दैट विल स्टे विद यू फॉर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम.
Superb. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.